million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me out in your sunlight. I know the way it makes me come alive.
Hey girl, what you doing? Yeah, that's cheeseburgers on my dress. Shut up, girl. Hey, I'm back with some human hair drip from a company. I don't think we done worked with this company before. So, you know, if they trash, I'm going to tell you they trash. If they are worth it, I'm going to tell you they're worth it. Bam! Nabeauty. Or Nabeauty. 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 Nabeauty on your booty. I don't know. Nabeauty. There it is, okay? So I have no idea what's in this box. Y'all know I always like to do that with you guys. So if I open it up, ooh, it's blonde. Y'all, it's blonde, and y'all know I love. I know they didn't. Rudolph who? Period. Okay, so they sent this. Oh, look at that little hair tie. Can y'all see that? It's pearls. If I gave you diamonds and pearls. Can y'all see it? Okay, y'all can't see it. I should see it another time. Lashes. Y'all know I love lashes. You can't tell. Oh, lashes. I thought my lash was coming off. They sent me a piece of elastic to sew into the wig. And they sent me some light skinned people wig caps. Okay. Thank you, Nabeauty. And they sent a little card saying thank you for choosing them and all of their social media sites. But look in the description box. I put it on there. Let's look at this wig because I know that's what y'all here for. Y'all, it's blonde. It is in 1B27. So it's the 27. I ain't done the 27 in forever. Now I've done tons of 30s, but this is a 1B27. It's 20 inches long. It's 150% density. So I'm opening it with you guys. Let's see what she hitting on. Y'all, I got on this shirt because y'all know I'm on this diet. I want a hamburger so darn bad. And that's what we gonna eat tonight. Me and the eggs, we cooking hamburgers. Period. And some Checkers fries. Rallies if you fancy. Y'all, look at this wig. Ooh. As I run my fingers through it, of course, no shedding, no tangling, but I ain't cut off the lace, sis. Look at that root that they have put in this wig. Y'all, and it's throughout. Look at that. It's dark rooted throughout. Ooh. Look at the movement. And it's not, y'all, I prefer a density to this color. I don't want to take off my little thing. Okay, let me take it off. I prefer density here because it doesn't feel like too much. Y'all know with human hair, I like to just plop them on my bald head without putting on a stocking cap. So let me just put it on. Fits comfortably. Whoa. Y'all, this color is gorgeous. And y'all always tell me, I be like, I like ash blonde. And y'all be telling me, shut up, sis. 27 and 30 look good on you. And I always ignore y'all. But y'all, that's cute. Look at that. There's that hairline up close. Look at that rooting job on this darn wig. Look at that. Look at that. Look. 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 Okay? Yes. Yes, God. Yes, I receive it. Let me go cut off this lace, and then I'm going to come back with my final thoughts. Y'all know I'm not going to put on no stocking cap, though. I'll be right back. Y'all, everything about this wig is bomb. The density, the color, the easiness of this wig. This wig, look at that dark root once again. I can appreciate that, y'all. This wig is bomb, okay? I'm at a loss for words. I'm 5'5". It's 20 inches long, but I'll stand up. I'm 5'5", and she falls right under my boob, okay? Here's my hip. Here's my boobs, okay? I definitely recommend this hair, and it's so soft. Beautiful. Of course, I did not put any powder. You can see that a little bit. But if I apply some powder right there, that will go away. And you can part this anywhere that you would so fit. But I just did the flip over. Like, just pull some to the side. Y'all, look at that. I'm feeling cute. I feel cute in this one. And Nabeauty. Good job. I definitely recommend this one. I love the density on this. It's a very natural density. It's a very easy density. So I definitely recommend that you go check them out. Like I always say, maybe you're not into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Shanae. Okay? Maybe it's not Shanae. Maybe it's your cousin Sylvester. And put him in this wig so he can shine too. Y'all, this wig is bomb. I definitely recommend it. Thank you so much, Nabeauty, for sending this bad boy out. Y'all look in the description box. I put a direct link to where you can purchase it. Until next time, which will be very, very soon.